Hello everyone, Noble Vigilance here. We're going to be unboxing a Vanson jacket. Very expensive jacket, vintage from like the 80s I think. But my aunt had one, she decided to give it to me. So, here we go. The jacket. And Christine, the Vanson jacket. I know. And that's personal information I will not be showing today, of course.
Don't just look out for yourself. Look out for me too.
Stand by. I need a knife. A knife, please.
No.
Whoa, watch out, it's my phone.
Just one
You're not
spoon.
gonna do this shit by yourself. Cheating, looking out for yourself, right? I want to be a big fat guy on the beach making a sexy.
Wow, guys. Hopefully not accidentally cut the jacket in half. With my luck I will, but we'll see. Oh man. Bro, what the freak? Alright, this is actually some cool stuff right here. I'm not gonna lie. We have K&N intakes right here. Vanson leathers, this is the Vanson jacket. Dude, this is awesome. Big shout out to my Aunt Christine. This was her jacket, now it's mine. Thank you very much. It even has Dunlop on it. Wow. That is so cool. Like, it even has Wizzico. I don't even think they exist anymore, do they? They probably do, just haven't heard of them in a while. So, pocket here. Pocket there. Making sure she didn't plant anything in the jacket. Just kidding. Oh. Made in the USA, Boston, Massachusetts. Looks like someone's home. Never mind. This appears to be my grandmother's hair. Wow, this looks very nice. I love it. Very vintage, pretty old. Not sure what that is. I don't even want to know. But man, it's crazy to think that these things were like a couple $1,000s back in the day. This was the style. Wow. Let's zip it up and see how it looks. It's one of those short jackets that you wear. I think they're called cropped jackets or something like that. One sec. Stand by. Thank you for waiting. Bro, you need to see this. Hey, do you ever remember Christine wearing this thing?
Yeah. I think old.
Yeah, how old?
She was like a teenager.
Oh, that's like 30 years old then, right?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Who's home? Mr. Santos. Want to see something real cool?
Damn.
These are like $1,000 back in the 70s and 80s.
Back in the 70s.
Yeah, not anymore. Alright guys, well thank you for watching this Vigilance unboxing video. Please be sure to like.
My desk here.
Oh yeah, there's your desk right there. Please be sure to drop a like, don't forget about it. And if you want to comment something, go ahead. Have a good night everybody, peace out.